Okay, so if you want to do that, so the flow chart, basically the same thing, but you will have new process to add. Okay, the one in green is the new process you need to add. Okay, the other process remains the same, but inside the loop, after you read the marks, before you determine whether the marks is above or less than 50, you add this process. You need to total up the marks. Okay, you need to total the marks obtained so far in each repetition. Once you get new marks, you add up. Then, after you finish the loop, then you calculate the average. You know how to calculate the average? The total here divide 30. That's the average. Then you display. So the one in green is the new process you need to add. Okay, so don't worry, I will upload this in MyVLE under topic what? Topic 1 lah, okay? I will upload this. So based on this new flowchart, you try to develop the new code. But when you want to develop the new code, basically you can use the student. You can use the same thing. But if you think you don't want to disturb this file, okay, so you just save as this as student 2. Or just give other name so that you won't disturb this the flow here. Okay? Then you do that, you discuss. You can upload your answer in the forum because I'm your e-tutor. So I will respond to your answers. Okay? Okay, any question? That's your homework. Because we won't discuss the homework in T2. Okay? If you can, we will discuss in the forum. So for your next class, for your tutorial 2, when is your next class? In 2 weeks' time, is it? Okay, okay. In T2, we will focus on object-oriented programming, topic 5. So make sure you do revision on topic 5, only topic 5. Okay, but if you want to understand topic 5, make sure you understand topic 1 to topic 4. Okay, so just now I could not show you the link. Okay, okay, you type www.java.sun.com, then you will see here, you know, top downloads, you just click Java XE. Because when you type www.java.sun.com, automatically will be pushed to this Oracle website. Okay. Then under top downloads, you see Java XE. You click Java SE. Okay. After this, you just click this one lah. Download JDK. Click this. The file will be downloaded into your desktop. Then download JRE. I show you. If you click download JDK, okay. After you click download JDK, you need to mention Windows. Okay, because you're using Windows, right? Just click Windows. Then you need to click. You need to tick that you are agree to their license agreement. Okay, and then you can download. Okay. After that, you can download do the same process for download JRE. Okay. So the website is. Okay, just type www.java.sun.com. Okay, you will be channeled to that Oracle website. You just under top downloads, just click Java SE. Okay, any question? No. So see you in T2. Okay. Okay, thank you for attendance.